Okay, this is not your typical Arizona environment. I'm so happy to be among the trees. This is the Cibola National Wildlife Refuge. There's an observation deck up here, and I'm sure you can hear it. There's tons of geese and waterfowl up here. A lot of snow geese, Canadian geese, and any kind of duck you can think of. Sandhill crane. There goes a snow goose right there. That was a snow goose. I'm gonna walk up here and see what we can see. I brought my chair with me. Didn't really need it because I see there's plenty of benches out here. Some beautiful nature trails back here. Must stay on the trail. No dogs allowed. But I just saw somebody with dogs. In Ireland, they say rules are meant to be broken. There's a refuge in a refuge. See that's some of the ducks I didn't mention. Is like the bufflehead and the green-winged teal. I don't know all my ducks. I gotta look at books. There is a ton of bird life out here. They say they had over 288 species of birds that they've recorded in the refuge. I'm sure that's, different throughout different times of the year. A lot of these are migratory. What a beautiful day. It's January 1st, 2025. Giving the old knee a workout, walking these trails, which is good. Water for birds. See, another one. American widgeon. A dewitcher. And of course, egrets. Yes, there's egrets flying around here too. Something for everyone. Cool. All right, here we go. Oh man, snow geese are flying. I'm gonna try to be quiet as I go up here and slow. Oh my God. I'm gonna pick this up. Look at all the snow geese. Holy moly. I'm gonna try not to spook them. Man. This is crazy awesome. Oh, duck coming in. There's a bunch of snow geese taking off. Canadians coming in over there. Try to zoom a little bit. That's too bad. They're starting to take off. I'm trying not to spook them, but so they come in here during the day, and then during the night they fly out of here and they go roost in the fields.